Hi, guys and gals. Well, I am live, and we are going through what in Ireland is called the Beast from the East. What it is basically is a Siberian storm that is meeting up with something I think it's called Storm Emma, and it is creating a turbulence that is making really, really big snowstorms over here. Now, one of the problems over here, I would say, is that they're not used to having snow, and they're supposed to have a lot. Now, I'm in Cork. I took my plane in Dublin. That is a 3.5 hour to the airport. It's a 3.5 hour bus ride. It's about 3 hours into town. And basically, the main problem that I'm going to have now is that tomorrow, I'm going to get up like at 5 in the morning, try and get on the 7 o'clock train to be in Dublin because trains are going to be everything tomorrow. The country is closing down around 4 in the afternoon. They are telling people to stay inside. Now, is that going to help me? In a way, yes. Let me see if I can get that microphone over here. In a way, yes, because what's happening is that the main brunt of the storm is going to be around in the afternoon, and trains are stopping around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think around four, between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. No more trains, and like I say, I got to get up to Dublin. Now, is that a guarantee that I'm going to have a plane on Friday? Not at all, because they're talking about the country being more or less closed, maybe until Friday afternoon. So it just depends. At the airports, it depends how easily it is to clean the grounds and de-ice the planes. What do other countries do when? I guess the thing is that over here they're just not used to having this. The last time they had anything vaguely similar to what they're having now, it was in 1982, and everybody here remembers it. I mean, of my age or whatever, they all remember it because it just never happens. Okay, I'm having a Smithwick Red Ale. Now, I have not. Usually, when I'm in Cork, I go and eat in different places. But today, no. I'm just staying at my hotel. Um, it was like at lunch today because I had meetings all day. We were like in the eye of the storm. It was really nice. It was actually blue sky. And then when it came, it came. It's coming now. And it's going to last like for 2 or 3 days, the way they're talking. So I don't know. If I can get to Dublin, uh, I'll see what I can do. Uh, I've got a hotel for one night. After that, I don't know. I'll just have to try and to make do. It's it's an adventure. Yeah, I just hope I can get to Dublin tomorrow. I have a plane. I have a train ticket for the afternoon. It might even be more complicated. My my hotel is in the middle of Dublin. It's just still about 10 kilometers from the airport, so I still have to get there. So it's still not one. That's gonna be complicated. Aside from that, I mean, meetings have been really good, except that a large part of the people were not able to make it because the roads were so bad and so icy. So we ended up having Skype meetings. I mean, I could be in Switzerland and have Skype meetings, but we had to have Skype meetings with the people in Ireland because only part of them were able to make it to the meeting. So here I was from Switzerland, but the Irish weren't able to make it. Yeah, it's kind of a complicated situation, but it doesn't matter. I mean, we'll take it as it goes. I was rather nervous yesterday for I was looking out the window and what it was like, but can I change anything? No. So I'll just take it as it is. I just really want to get up to Dublin tomorrow. Many, many years ago, I went to London once for a meeting, and there was a kind of a small hurricane where they had really big windstorms. But I didn't feel it the same way because I was actually flying in and out from London, and I didn't have that problem. But here, I mean, now it is really, really coming down, and it's the thing is, when you're in a country where they don't have snow usually, it's like imagine if you're in Mississippi or what, and all of a sudden you got all that snow that's falling down. People have, they don't have the tires on their cars and so on. That's a good reason to go up with a train, actually. But you never know. Like I say, the train is going to close down. Okay, I've been talking 6 minutes just to say that, kind of in a what they call it the red alert situation. They call it the beast from the east. That is really what it's called. And when I say a red alert situation, I mean they've got major security alerts going on. I mean, right now the whole country we're living through a major, major extreme weather situation as far as the Irish are concerned. And it, some people might say, oh, well, that's no big deal. Well, it is if you live here because you just don't have what you need up to a point. So, yeah, get through it. So, yeah, so in DC, I mean, the jury's in Cork. DC signing off. Everybody, take care. Hope you're all well and stay warm. And if you got somebody that you love, tell them you love them. Okay, bye, everybody.